Barry Felice Enterprises, your Anderson service provider here at the Cape May Shore. Today we're going to be changing out a glass, or not a glass, a sash, because it lost its seal. If you don't know what a sash is, we're going to be showing you in a minute. All right, I haven't been here in 4 weeks. I forgot it's not a bad seal. It's a broken sash. Okay, and first, what is a sash? A sash is this frame with the glass in it. Okay, so if you end up with a broken sash, or in some cases they lose their seal and they get cloudy and moisture in it, you don't have to replace the whole window, you just replace the sash. I would recommend having a professional install it, because even if you put everything back exactly how it came out, they don't always fit 100%. You have to sometimes tweak them, because I think what's happening, sometimes the sash will go out of, let's say the window frame goes out of square, the window frame will go out of square. Sometimes the sash will do the same thing, and you have to sometimes tweak the hinges, play with them. Sometimes I have to take them out a couple times to get the window to open and shut properly. All right, I just had the camera lady turn the camera back on. There's another reason you should have a professional do this. This thing is all broken. The frames are, the hinges are really rusted up. It's not come out easy. You got lots of sharp glass. This is not tempered. These are Kevlar sleeves and special gloves that only a glass guy would have. So don't try this at home. All right, okay, we're back. The sash is in. We did have a hiccup. I had to take it out, had to install it twice, and this is why you want a professional doing this, because even I have to play with it a little bit. Things go out of square over time. Anyway, she does open and close real nice right now. A little tip, especially if your house is under construction, don't leave this protective film on your windows longer than 9 months, otherwise it ain't coming off. And you're not supposed to use a razor blade on this glass. It'll screw up, you'll scratch the hell out of the glass. So you want to take all that stuff off. Anyway, let me show you. The window is opening and closing. Closes real nice now. You want to, where she comes all the way into the window stop. If it's nice and flush. If it's not, you got some kind of an issue. All right, give me a call. Barry Felice, 609-889-9500.